Emotions are fundamental to human experience, serving as powerful drivers of behavior, thought, and decision-making. They are complex psychological and physiological responses to internal or external stimuli, deeply rooted in our biology, psychology, and evolutionary history. Biological basis of emotions. Emotions are regulated by the brain, particularly the limbic system, which includes structures like the amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus. The amygdala plays a key role in processing emotions, especially fear and pleasure, while the hypothalamus helps regulate emotional responses by controlling hormone release. Neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine also influence emotional states, impacting how we feel and respond to stimuli. Physiologically, emotions prepare our bodies for action. For example, fear triggers the fight or flight response, releasing adrenaline and increasing heart rate to help us deal with perceived danger. Similarly, happiness can release endorphins, promoting relaxation and well-being. Evolutionary perspective. From an evolutionary standpoint, emotions have developed as survival mechanisms. They help us respond to challenges and opportunities in our environment. Fear, for instance, alerts us to potential dangers, while anger can mobilize us to confront threats. Positive emotions like love and joy foster social bonds, encouraging cooperation and reproduction. Social emotions, such as guilt, shame, or pride, evolve to help us navigate complex social structures. They reinforce behaviors that promote group cohesion and discourage actions that might harm relationships, enhancing our chances of survival as part of a community. Psychological and cognitive functions. Emotions are closely tied to our thoughts and perceptions. They influence how we interpret and react to the world. For instance, feeling anxious might make us perceive a situation as more threatening than it is, while happiness can make us view challenges more positively. Psychologists like Paul Ekman have identified universal emotions such as happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, and disgust shared across cultures, underscoring their importance in human communication. Emotions also help us prioritize and make decisions. They act as a compass, guiding us toward what we value and away from what might harm us. For example, feelings of guilt can prompt us to correct a mistake, while pride can motivate us to pursue goals. The social aspect of emotions. Humans are inherently social beings, and emotions play a critical role in fostering connections. They enable us to empathize with others, understand their needs, and build relationships. Expressing emotions through facial expressions, tone of voice, or body language helps convey our feelings to others, promoting understanding and cooperation.